Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider. Today we've got a package from Japan. This is a Japan ramen box. They're a subscription service out of, you guessed it, Japan. And they have monthly boxes, so let's have a look. And our box is open. So why don't we look at everything we have in here. So first thing we have is a thank you note. You might note here it has a link that you can type in and get the information for everything that's in this box in a PDF, which is really cool. So that being said, I don't have a list of what these are all called, but I will include it in a little annotation on each one. So check this one out. This looks pretty fancy. My guess is it's a shoyu. The dark color on here and here makes me think it could be a black garlic tonkotsu, but I don't know. Pretty fancy. Looks to be from Fukumen. Well, I don't need anything to tell me what this is. This is the 60th anniversary chicken ramen. Chicken ramen was the very first instant noodle on the market. It came out in 1958 by Momofuku Ando and his brand new Nissin company at the time. You put this in a bowl and you crack an egg right in the middle. There's a little divot, and then you pour the boiling water on it, and there you go. It's really cool and really tasty. This is really the instant noodle that I grew up on. Next we have a Marushan variety. This is part of their Ramen series. This looks to be a miso. I'm going with the orange on the top and bottom. I guess we'll find out. Here's one I think I've had before. This is a Kinchan variety. It might be shoyu. I really don't know. But the Kinchan varieties tend to be really good quality and very tasty, so yeah, cool. And I should also note there are 2 packs of this one. Well, it's definitely been a while since a Raoh variety crossed my desk. This looks to be maybe a Paitan Men. I really have absolutely no clue. With the black and the red, it makes me think, of course, black garlic oil. But with the red and how this looks, maybe it's a black garlic oil tonkotsu. I really don't know. With the red, it makes me think heat. I'm gonna guess a black garlic oil shoyu, spicy shoyu. So I looked at this one a little bit and I'm kind of stumped, honestly. I can't tell what brand it is, and I'm looking at the garnish on top and it's either a tonkotsu or a shio, but the color of this part screams miso. That doesn't look like any miso I've ever seen. And I can't remember what this is, but I've definitely had this before. That little, since 1978, little button right there. And then, of course, the 40th anniversary, that's, you know, commemorative. I can't remember what it is, but I'm pretty sure it was really good. So I guess we'll find out. So from the packaging here and the pictures and iconography, you can really tell exactly what this is. This is looking to be like a hearty tanuki soba or a classic tanuki soba. You can tell by the noodle, and you can tell by the big disc of tempura. I think I've seen this one recently. This is a table mark variety bowl. I want to say it has the name of it has something to do with a southern Chinese city or area. I could totally be wrong, and I would think that if it did, honestly, there'd be a lot more red in it, because they usually put more red when something's kind of a fusion. And finally, I know this is a Marushan Gotsumori, which means big, and from the pepper and the garlic, I'm guessing it's a big garlic pepper, maybe the blue garlic pepper Shio Yakisoba, something along those lines. Yeah. Has to be. Alright, so in this box you get Gotsumori Yakisoba, a classic variety, 1 and 2 packs of this one, 1 and 2 packs of this one, Marushan Ramen, classic Nissin chicken ramen, a fancy shoyu, a table mark variety, a Nissin Raoh bowl, and a piece of paper with all the information you could possibly need about all these varieties. So wow, that's impressive. 12 cups, bowls, trays, and packs. If you want to check these out, you go to www.japanramenbox.com. I don't have a coupon code for you currently, but look down in the description. I might before this posts or after, so go have a look. Anyways, wow, I'm impressed. Thank you very much to Japan Ramen Box for shooting this over. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.